Good morning, everybody. Captain Namco here. Welcome back to another twister pin sound test video. Again, just want to point this out. As you can see, this is a synthetic pin. United States Bowling Congress approved. And this guy has a resin core on the inside. This pin is not wood. And if you guys haven't noticed, now Brunswick has a synthetic pin out, and all those guys are. They're the Brunswick Max Life, but all they are is what I refer to as a glorified twister pin. Because all they are is a twister pin with a Brunswick logo. So, here we go. I'm surprised as beat up as this is, this thing still sounds... Alright, there it sounded kind of... Still there. Still sounds pretty good though. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you and have a wonderful day.